Good morning, Year 2. It's Wednesday today, so we are halfway through the week and we are carrying on with money. So today we are finding the change. And I want to know, what does change mean? I want you to have a chat with somebody at home and then come back and we will discuss it. So change is when you go to a shop and you give them an amount of money, but it's more money than what your item is worth, so they have to give you the change. So if I bought something for £2 and gave the man a £5 note, he would have to give me £3 change. Okay, so your anchor today. Dora empties her money box. So she had all this money. She got a 50p, a 10p, a 10p, another two 20p's and a 2p. But she spends 32p, which is why the 20, the 10 and the 2 are slightly faded. How much does she have left? So I want you to tell me how much money Dora has got left after spending the 32p. Okay, so all we need to do is add up the amounts. So I'm going to go from biggest amount to smallest. So 50 add 20 is 50, 60, 70. So I'm at 70p and I've used these two coins. So I've used this one and I've used this one. So that's 70p, add 10p is 80p. So Dora has got 80p left. Well done if you got that correct. She's got 50p and she buys 5 candles and the candles are 5p each. How much change would she get? So the first thing we need to do is work out how much all of the candles would be together. So I want you to use your 5 times table to tell me how much the total of the 5 candles are. So it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25p for the candles. How much change does she get from her 50p? So we need to do 50 take away 25. So I would do a number line. Okay, I'm only going to do a little one here. And at this end I would have 50 and at this end I would have I wouldn't have anything, so I don't know what I'm getting to yet, would I? So 50 and you need to take away 25, so 50, I'm going to do a jump of 20. Take away 20 gives me 30, and then I need to take away 5. Not quite to the end there, Miss French, but it doesn't matter. Take away 5. 30 take away 5 is 25. So the answer is 25p. Now some of you might have known that because you know that half of 50 is 25. And if you did know it that way, well done, I'm really proud of you. Okay, so the cake is 41p. How much change would she get from 51p? So we need to do 50 take away 41. Okay, so at this end I'm going to have 50p and I need to take away 41p. So I'm going to do jumps of 20. One jump of 20 takes me to 30 and that's 20. If I do another jump of 20, that gives me my 40 for my 41. So I'm going to do another jump of 20. It's a bit of a big jump, but it doesn't matter. 30 take away 20 takes me to 10. And then I just need to take away 1. Take away 1 gets me to 9. Oh, take away 1, sorry. Gets me to the number 9. So her change would be 9p. 9p. Well done if you worked that out correctly yourself. Which calculation does he need to do to work out his change? So he's got 20p and he spends 7p. How much change does he get? So change is when you get something back. So will he keep his 20p and the shopkeeper give him 7p? No. And then that's the same, isn't it? Because we know that you can do addition either way round, so it's not going to be that one. Now we start with 20p and he starts with 20p, and out of that 20p he spends 7p. So he's giving away 7 out of his 20. So it's going to be this one, isn't it? But let's just check the last one as well. Starting with 7, taking away 20. Now we always know that the bigger number starts a subtraction because we know that we cannot take 20 away from 7, and we also know that he starts with 20p, not 7p. So it cannot be that one either. Well done if you got that one correct yourself. Okay, so he has got £6.13 and he buys this bear for £5. So I'm going to draw my number line. I'm going to put £6.13 here. And we're going to take away 5. But we're going to do it in £1 jumps. So £1, £2, £3, £4, £5. So now we can fill it in. So this is take away £1, which gets me to, I'm not going to write it all, but it would be to £5. Take away another £1, takes me to £4.13. Another pound gets me to £3.13. Another pound gets me to £2.13. And one more pound gets me to £1.13. So he would get £1.13. Number lines are really good for working out the change. Okay, there are 3 children. Mo says, this is Mo here, I will get the most change because I'm spending the smallest amount. Is he correct, and why? So they've all got the same amount to start with. This girl here is spending 50p. This girl here is spending 45p, and Mo is spending 43p. So we need to know, to work out what Mo says, the difference between 50p and a pound, which we know is 50p, if we know our halves and doubles. We need to know that this girl here will have 55p change, and Mo is going to have 57p change. Because Mo has spent the smallest amount, he does get the biggest amount because he has spent less of his pound. Okay, so because he has spent less of his pound, he gets more back. Because this girl here has spent 50p, she gets 50p back. It's how much makes the pound, okay? Well done if you understood and got that. Well done. Bronze. Okay, you need to tick the correct change for the children here. Tell me if these corrections are true or false. Complete the bar model for these two and tell me the items that the children brought. Silver, you are doing questions 1 to 6 on the silver and gold sheet. Okay, so just answering about the change and circling the calculations and then again telling me the change. Gold, you are doing questions 7 to 9. So you need to tell me about the change. Tell me how we know either is wrong, and then you've got a word problem here about change. And platinum, you have got to tell me what Alana can buy, what Elijah can buy. Then you need to tell me what coins Lydia could have and what coins Noah could have. And then tell me if these children are correct, okay? I hope you don't find it too tricky. If you've got any questions, let me know. Always use a number line to help you if you're stuck, okay? And I will be back tomorrow with Thursday's maths video.